peas in a dancehall pod. Vinci lets off Scream, and Notnice with some comments on the biz and Freedom Street.
The wave you forward from Virgin, man. Songs where touch people's heart and build Vinci to who he is to make people say, yo, you see that youth, I'm soulful, I love that youth. Yeah. Don't put yourself in a box, because if you do that, hungry kill you up a yard, you know what? I love culture, I love more soulful type of music, and the people, if they really look for them song the more time, I don't know why. But, you know, we still do them and we still maintain that because of that grow, you see me?
Vinci with a striking sound.
We got the Virgin and the Pretty Like a Rose, and, you know, we just did want a different sound.
And a reliable producer.
Yo, you know, so me and Notnice, like, you know, we are found from far.
Back when both were part of Vybz Kartel's Portmore empire.
Yo, you video me, Vinci.
It's a brother thing, it's a family thing. The chemistry has been there from them time. Me as a man who take talking, you understand me? I said there's no fire time when me bring song where me think of the next hit, and Notnice we cut it down and say, boy, you know, I don't feel like I hit it.
Scream, not one of those.
So she feel like it were tired of the boring thing was some excitement.
You see my room and in my DM, I say, boy, Vinci, me never do this, me never cheat for my husband yet, but if you never miss her, do nothing, mess up. We tap in for any topic where we feel like say, yeah. Once the sound good to the ears, not only good to the ears, but once the lyrics make sense, you're gonna always find a Vinci in anybody car.
But you have to make it a little rawer than usual, though.
Yeah, hungry, I'm gonna kill you if I had him. Hungry, I'll kill you if I had him. Just stick to one, you know, so I always try to keep the thing versatile, you know. So I keep me in my music, I not lose my way, no time. I love what me do. Me grew up from Bersa, man. Sanchez as my idol. You know, I come out of the Gaza with the roughness to the music and all of that. So that grew me. If you believe in your thing, you come like you have a goal and you make something derail from the goal where you did already have in your mind. You understand what I say? So I like keep me in my music. I remember when I go to school and when them used to give away the little bun and the little milk them and them thing, them I put that in enough man now got think to put that in a song. Because them I say, boy, no, I'm not go so deep. But more than I used to wait for them thing there sometime. You understand what I say?
So you're talking about exposing yourself, being a bit more vulnerable and not hiding.
Because I know we alone go through it. I just that a man was afraid to put it out there, but me, no man, we keep it real.
So you're talking about showing your feelings more.
Then that make people like say, yo, me can relate to a Vinci or love Vinci for that. Because some people afraid to talk about that. When me sing the song, say, when you talk about dumpling and butter, well, my mother know the slum. When she said me go to school and the hungry come. Dying for the class, don't tears I run cause she want me bring the milk and I hope so me bring the bun. Jaja got me going home, me coming in. Yeah man, enough man now just put that in a song for say boy, you know, but trust me, that's the harsh reality where people really want to hear. But definitely I stay upon that track there because of that build Vinci. So if them never know the sauce, once you keep it 100, people are going to relate to it because you have people who go through a deeper situation than that. More left a legacy where people can say, yo, Vinci is a column, is a household name. You have to talk about a Vinci. And that's my goal, man. Over the years with the songs that when me drop, definitely a column in our music.
What you looking forward to in the new year?
Yo, just more work, you know, more energy in it, understand me, I say, because, you know, me just drop a song with Chronicle also. I'm still like me, you know. go deep when him sing, you know. And that is definitely showing people say, we're not gonna just stuck one place and keep the music one place. I always want to be the world singer.
Anything presented to me can bring across any genre, any kind of song, any key, whether it's a Barry White, low tone, world singer.
Notnice and Vinci working together for around 15 years.
Outside of just a musical relationship, we are bridging same way. So even when we're not on the music, we are apart, so that helps also.
Both at the National Stadium for Kartel's return concert. What does Vybz Kartel's return to the music scene potentially mean for possibly rejuvenating dancehall right now? Because a lot of people are saying the dancehall scene is kind of flat.
Yeah, because like the sound has changed, and you know, Vybz Kartel work ethic, like him put out song rapidly, so maybe it will help to step up the pace of the other artists them. Because not everybody really sing like how Kartel really sang. Some of them artists them sing about the same thing every day.
Who needs who more? The younger artists right now wanting to do something with Kartel, or Kartel needing them to make himself relevant and valid to a younger listening generation?
Well, one helping the other. You know, this can't clap, nor this. So, this clap, this can't wash itself, nor this. So.
But is Kartel's return to the scene what dancehall needed?
Make we see now. It's too early to say. Him come out and him not really put out much music. Maybe I'm try get him help back together just do the show. So check me back boy in the summer, I'm going to tell you.
Are a lot of the younger artists boxing themselves into a corner with the explicit nature of most of the music that they're putting out?
You know, different strokes to different folks, you know. Maybe if Budgie did have put out some of the songs that he put out years ago, if he put it out now, he wouldn't get the same reception. Because them consume music different, them interest different right now. Them not listen to Till Shiloh, man. When we go to Kartel concert and the Kartel are singing some song and like me see some youth there that say, yo, me don't know them song, yeah. So I say, I saw they young. So imagine Buju sang them, like, don't get me wrong, you know, you have some people will still listen to it, you know. Me still listen to it, and I like, me I'm not 20, but like the younger kids, them are listen to the trap, them are going to listen to some Craft and some Rogers, that really, and some Skipper, I just feel them mind there.
I keep asking the question, why is it taking so long for the new face to appear who is getting people excited outside of Jamaica, not only in Jamaica? Because we remember the 90s, we remember Beenie Man locked it here, Buju Banton locked it here, but they also appealed to people outside of Jamaica. Sean Paul locked it here, but he took his show on the road.
Remember Sean Paul and Beenie Man, they were still signed to a major label the same way. So most of them like, it's just independent artists I try to do it, and then if we go put a marketing budget behind a song where if we go try to go foreign with it, enough of them not going to do it, or they don't have the knowledge of how to get it done. So maybe if a Universal take up one of them youth and put some big budget behind them, maybe you see them on Billboard same way.
Freedom Street getting a lot of different reactions. What was your take on it? Was it this moment when Kartel reappeared and that was sheer heaven for some people, or were there problems?
Well, mixed, you know. It wasn't 100% smooth.
It wasn't always clear who was coming on stage and what they were supposed to do.
At one point when Vybz Kartel was calling Sheba, and Sheba was nowhere, so I said, and then when Sheba passing, Sheba said the security all her out the gate, all Kartel call up and say the security and let her read. So maybe some little thing they want to iron out.
You're talking about the production part of it?
Yeah, I think that'd be great, the production.
So it's not just about the artists and what they're not bringing to the stage, literally. It's also about elevating production standards in Jamaica.
All right. I am not sure if Sheba was supposed to be here at 9 and she reached 10 and it's really fair fault make she late, or the security did for later in her, I don't, me can't answer on that part. But me just know say, yo, when Kartel called her, she wasn't there. Kartel called killer outside. Kartel for up on the mic and say, yo, let in my father. Popcorn outside. Yo, let in popcorn. Like those parts, like if it is something that could have been done behind the scene where the whole stadium down for your ear say, yo, popcorn still out of the gate. So if them did have a way for iron out that some of the little hiccups people wouldn't even realize.